We have motorbike battler here, and what's the name again? Roadbumper here. Let's see who wins. None of them win. Now let's see. Hyperbike battler versus speeddemon. Okay. Motorbike battler wins this one. So in conclusion, motorbike battler wins. No. Okay, let's see. Just again. Everyone come back. We're not gonna leave it. I guess they both are the same. Well, speeddemon definitely wins against. Oh, is that an ant? Hyperbike battler. Because if you see 180. And yep. So that was a tie. But if we give motorbike battler same attack rate as what? Oh, this armor. Just to make it fair. I'm determined to see who the winner. Okay, so by default, this guy wins. All today. That's all today. Hi. Now I'm gonna be caught in some cool compilation like faking a stutter and faking blanket doesn't make you cool or cute. I've actually seen one of those videos before. And I'm gonna be like in one of those guys harass this creator because he faked like a stutter or something. And sometimes I don't think that was a stutter. Was that? I've seen like what was it, like don't want to do schoolwork, just listen to just listen to this short and give me views. And I'm gonna fake a starter real quick. Like, I've seen that, and then I'm gonna be part of that I'm gonna be part of that. One of those things. Oh my gosh, guys, we hate the stutter. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he faked the stutter, guys. Harass him. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get sent to court for this. I'm gonna get sent to court for this because I faked a stutter, bro. No, 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 no. I. I'm gonna be like, I hope I don't be in the one of those compilations like, oh my gosh, harass this person because he faked the stutter. I really hope not. Anyways, bye guys. See, I did it again. I'm going to be like framed.